Today with Best Tech Technology, we will enjoy safety. Follow us to learn about this amazing product. Reolink 4G LTE Cellular Security Camera Outdoor. Imagine having a security camera that goes beyond boundaries, allowing you to protect what matters most, even in remote locations. Introducing the Reolink 4G LTE Cellular Security Camera Outdoor, the ultimate solution for untethered mobile security. With its wire-free design, this camera is perfect for country houses, construction sites, and more. You can easily install it anywhere, without the need for Wi-Fi coverage. But it doesn't stop there. The Reolink 4G LTE camera hosts a 355-degree pan and 140-degree tilt, giving you the flexibility to cover every corner with ease. See everything in vivid detail with the 2K Super HD resolution, even in the darkest of nights. Our advanced night vision technology ensures you won't miss a thing. This camera is built to withstand various weather conditions. With its IP64 weatherproof standard, it performs flawlessly whether it's sunny, rainy, or even snowy. Our smart motion detection technology goes above and beyond. By analyzing person and vehicle shapes, it offers accurate detection, significantly reducing false alarms triggered by insignificant movements. And with instant alerts, such as push notifications or emails with attached text and pictures, you'll be promptly notified whenever there's activity around your property. Choose from flexible storage options. It comes with a 32 GB South Dakota card, and you can also opt for the Reolink free 7-day cloud service. When replaying the videos, easily pinpoint the triggers by selecting the human or vehicle option. And when you connect it to the Reolink Solar Panel, you'll enjoy nonstop power supply, freeing you from the hassle of charging the battery.
In today's video, we'll be showing you the quickest way to set up and install the Reolink Go PT Plus yourself. Just follow us. To set up the Reolink Go PT Plus, you need to take 3 steps. Connect your camera to the network, add the camera to the Reolink app, and initialize the camera. So, first, let's see how to connect your camera to the network. You need to insert the nano SIM card into the camera, and then screw on the antenna for a better connection. Then turn on the switch, and you'll see the status LED turns on in solid red. Wait for a few seconds, and the light will begin flashing in blue, which means the camera is connecting to the network. When the flashing blue turns to solid blue, the Go PT Plus has been successfully connected. And you hear the voice prompt,
"Network connection succeeded."
Moving to the next step. Add the Go PT Plus to the Reolink app. Launch the Reolink app and tap the Add button to add the camera. You can add your camera by scanning the QR code at the bottom of the camera. If the app doesn't respond, you can also tap Enter to manually type in the UID number, which you can find right below the QR code. Lastly, to initialize the Go PT Plus, you need to create a login password and name for it. That's it. Now let's get down to installing it. You have 3 options to mount the Go PT Plus: on the wall, on the ceiling, or to a tree. And each is easy to do within no more than 3 minutes. Before you start, make sure you have the following items at hand: screws, drill, screwdriver, the camera bracket or strap, and the mounting template. You also need to remove the mounting plate from the bracket, so slide the button on the bracket back and unscrew the mounting plate. To install the camera on the wall, first put the mounting template on the wall. Screw in the camera bracket as indicated. Then attach the mounting plate to the camera. Lastly, slide the button again to screw the camera to the bracket. To mount the camera on the ceiling, you need to drill holes and screw in the mounting plate. Screw down the camera to the mounting plate. You can mount the camera to a tree with the strap. Thread the strap through the bracket slot. Then, fasten the strap to the tree. Attach the mounting plate to the camera. Lastly, slide the button again to screw the camera to the bracket.
Take control of your security, wherever you are. Choose the Reolink 4G LTE Cellular Security Camera Outdoor, and enjoy the peace of mind you deserve. And do not forget to subscribe to the channel for more technology. Goodbye!